We need to get some vinegar and some bleach to clean the boat with.
We're assuming there's going to be a lot of mold. We'll see. Yeah. We'll see. We'll see if we stay on the boat tonight. There's like spatter everywhere. I'm Ben, that's Ashley. Together, we did the unimaginable. We sold everything and then set off on a mission to sail around the world.
Civilization. See you later.
28 countries later and over 25,000 nautical miles, we are only halfway around the world.
I have no idea what's gonna happen.
Subscribe to follow the adventure as we finish this lap. Heading back to the boat. It's been gone for a little bit. But yeah, we're almost at the airport and we don't really pack that light. I don't know what happens every single time. We're like always have 4 bags and they're huge and they don't all fit.
We did a little stop and we decided, because our flight landed in Denpasar in Bali, and so we decided we need to do a tiny bit of land travel because Bali is amazing, but most of the amazingness that we wanted to see is kind of away from the coast. We didn't feel like there was a great place to leave the boat in Bali. So the boat is in Lombok and we're just heading back to the airport to catch our last flight back to Nahoa to go home, and I can't wait to get home.
Yep, I think that sums it up.
Thank you so much for your stay. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yeah. We're 33 kilos over 40 kilos, so we have 73 kilos in total. That's pretty good, actually. That's not too bad. Boat parts.
A lot of boat parts.
Lot of boat parts. You gotta always get those back. 1,100,000. I'm not 100% sure, but it's over $1 million. $1,126,000 for our luggage.
Boarding gate number 2, this boarding time 11 o'clock.
No umbrella, selfie sticks, or tripod.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard. Once you have located your seat, we ask that you please step out of the aisle. So the passengers behind you can pass you. This will expedite our...
We go a long way, so we can stop in Sengigi or here in Mataram. You
In
choose.
Mataram, yes.
Is better?
Yes.
Okay.
In Mataram, yeah.
Why do we need to have a supermarket, Ash?
We need to get some vinegar and some bleach to clean the boat with.
We're assuming there's going to be a lot of mold. We'll see.
Yeah.
We'll see. We'll see if we stay on the boat tonight. When we came back to the boat in Palau, it rains a lot there, and like everything was covered in mold. Like the pillows had to get thrown out, the sheets had to get washed.
It's a shocker.
The pillows were not washable. But it was actually so dark the first night that we slept on the boat because we couldn't tell how moldy it was. What's another good word we should learn?
Bagus, bagus.
Bagus? Bagus means...
Bagus. Nice.
Oh, nice. What is no thank you?
Terima kasih.
A tidak.
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 Tidak apa-apa.
Yeah, no problem.
No problem.
Apa-apa.
What is yes?
Tidak apa-apa.
Tidak apa-apa?
Yeah, no problem.
No problem.
This market.
Supermarket.
Supermarket.
Oh,
big
you
one.
want a supermarket?
Yes, please.
Oh, in market.
but I think a car just went off the cliff. Oh no. Scary, eh?
Yeah, very scary. Is there a medic down there already?
No, there's no one down there. Yeah, that's pretty crazy. Sad. The birds made themselves a home. Check this out. Woo. Oh yeah.
I think he's flat.
There's like spatter everywhere. I think this boat needs a good wash and maybe a beer needs to go into the system. Is there still beer in the fridge actually? Did I put beer in the fridge?
You did.
Oh, I still have Philippine beer in here.
Yeah, the fridge is still on. I think I feel seasick. There's a northerly swell and it's just like a big swell coming in here and we just got on board and whoa. It is vile outside. But inside it seems to have fared pretty well actually. Everything that was stuck on with the suction cup has fallen off the wall because it's been hot in here. But otherwise it's pretty good.
And I think we need to take our shirts off because I'm sweaty and hot.
It's time! Bye-bye bird poo!
So disgusting. It's like everywhere and it smells like bird poo.
I'm demolding. It really wasn't too bad this time. Like there's hardly any mold. You can't even really see it. It's just in the seams, like right in the seams here. But this is falling down, so we need to deal with that. It's not bad. We got really lucky this time. We parked the boat in dry season, which normally we never do. We always park it in wet season and like get the hell out of there because wet season sucks on the boat. The sheets aren't moldy. I put everything in the vacuum bag. All the pillows are in vacuum bags, all the sheets are in vacuum bags. This vacuum bag didn't work. We'll see how that goes.
Check out this cockpit. Shiny as new. Are you watching where you're going?
No.
Where are you going?
Out of here, thankfully.
What's your opinion of marinas actually?
Well, I didn't like this one very much, let's just put it that way. I usually like marinas, because when you're in a marina, usually you get to go to a dock, and you can get water, and you get a hose, and you get all this stuff, but we were tied up in a mooring ball in this marina, and it was not, I would not call it my favorite place to be.
We're anchored off this little island here. It's called Gili Air here in Indonesia, and it's a complete tourist hub. Like, it's crazy. Actually, there's something floating by. It's really weird. I don't know what it is. It looks like... What is that, Ash? What's floating by?
Looks like a beer keg.
You think it's a beer keg?
A giant bag of coffee? We're in Gili Air, we're just watching the garbage float by. I saw it's really windy, so there's blowing stuff from Lombok, the main island over there, onshore here onto Gili Air. And it's not too bad. I mean, there's not a lot of garbage in the water here, it's not terrible. But there's some weird stuff. We saw a dead dog float by the other day, which was kind of a first for us.
That is a dead cat. Is it a cat? I think it's a dog. Oh, that's nasty. It's a dog.
Yeah. Just We're really enjoying the spot here. It's super busy. There's so many ferries going by. It's kind of insane, but it's still pretty gorgeous. I mean, you got palm trees, you got white sand beaches, you got water that if you look before you jump is pretty clear 90% of the time. And yeah, sometimes there's surfing out here, but not right now. And really, it's a pretty chill spot.
It looks pretty idyllic out here, but then when you turn around to here, you got ferries unloading all the time. Alright, it's like evening time. We finished cleaning the boat, well, sort of. We cleaned the cockpit where the red light is, but the birds came back. They're back, and there's a whole family of them. You should check them out. I'll show you. You should stick your head out and check out the number of birds inside. They'll be there. I was sitting here thinking about dinner, going in for dinner. It's like kind of blowing 16, 18 knots, so the waves aren't that good. Like they'll get wet. And I was watching the shoreline, and then all of a sudden it went zzz, it went black. I think I'll maybe skip dinner on shore tonight.
But the lights are back.
Some lights are back. I think it's generators mostly. Because all of Wombach is dark, and Gilliere is just partially lit up. I guess we have a decision made. We're not gonna get wet in the dinghy, and we're gonna make spaghetti.
I haven't planned on making dinner, so I have no idea. I guess I'll look in the cupboards. The problem is, I still haven't been grocery shopping. And we have like very limited selection. I think I have broccoli, tomatoes, broccoli salad? We'll see what we can do. There's always Annie's. We have like 2 precious boxes of Annie's left, which Ben is vouching for now because he's thinking those would be good tonight, but I don't know. I'm not sure this is the night for those last 2 boxes of Annie's. We'll see.